Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my fall home tour for 2023 with you. Decorating my home seasonally, I love to decorate my main living spaces, so my living room, kitchen, and dining room. And this year I also spruced up my master bedroom for fall as well, so I'm going to be taking you guys along those 4 areas and just showing you little bits and pieces of how I decorated for fall this season. If you would like to see a full video on each of these rooms, a dedicated video where I showed every little piece, every little detail that you would need to know, be sure to check out my fall 2023 playlist linked down below. But for today's video, we are just going to be taking a look in each room. I'm going to be showing you how I styled these pieces very simply. Let me know which room was your favorite, and I also have some Thanksgiving decorating coming your way. I feel like people tend to forget Thanksgiving. It's one of my favorite holidays personally, probably my second favorite, and I love that time of year. Everything is just very relaxing in my opinion. It's very chill, and I feel like the rush hasn't started yet because Christmas is, Black Friday is like the next day, and then everyone goes crazy for that. But for Thanksgiving, I like to soak it up. We also host Friendsgiving. We have a fall day here at our house that we have hosted for multiple years now. So just a really fun time and a memorable time for us every single year, and I like to hone in on that. But without further ado, let's head into this home tour. Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my home. So this is how I have it decorated for fall. We're going to go ahead and start with the living room. I mainly focused on my seating area that you see here. I also have a fireplace area, a couple of walls, and also the top of my hall tree as well. So I'm not going to be talking a ton throughout this video, but I just wanted to point out the main areas that I decorated for each room, and then you guys will just be able to sit back, relax, and listen to some music. I hope this video gives you some inspiration and that you enjoy it. Next up, moving into the dining room, I just decorated my dining room table with a very simple tablescape. I will have a full tablescape video coming out for you guys to give you some Thanksgiving tablescape ideas, but then I also focused on my hutch and then a couple corner nooks in the space. along into the kitchen, again, this room is very small and I decorated it very simply. I actually don't have a full kitchen decorate with me for fall just because I did decorate so simple that there wasn't a ton to share. So I just focused on a couple of corners. One of them is by our secretary. I just have a faux magnolia tree here. I thought this was stunning for fall and I purchased this at TJ Maxx this year. And then I also have a little space on my countertop that I decorated as well. Last but not least, we have our bedroom. Again, this was done, surprise, surprise, very simply. I just placed some fall greenery here and there and then just kind of switched out my bedding a little bit just to add in some more texture and depth to it. And for the most part, everything else is pretty much the same. I just added in a few more touches of brass elements as well that were most of them thrifted or found at antique vintage markets. Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for being here today. Let me know down in the comments which room was your favorite. Did you have a certain piece that stood out to you that you enjoyed in today's video? I am super pleased with how my fall decor turned out. I'm very much looking forward to decorating for Thanksgiving and Christmas as well. I will have tons of content related to Christmas coming up probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks, so I'm super pumped for that. But stay tuned for lots of seasonal content coming from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.